like I burned down. Gotta put my head down for a while. Keep a low profile. Stop using my phone, but now feels like I've stopped too long. Too much time in pause, yeah. Feels like I'm stuck in limbo. Shouldn't have stopped at all. Lost the ball, took a fall. Gotta pick myself up again. Gotta press restart, change it up. Here we go again. Restart in the middle of the day. Don't gotta wake up, try again. Start it over. Don't wait till the end of the week. Monthly, gotta press restart, change it up. Here we go again. Restart in the middle of the day. Don't gotta wake up, try again. Start it over. Don't wait till the end of the week. Monthly, like it's too much. Can't get out of bed now. I'm tired. Going through my days now. Just gonna tap out for a while. Feels like I fell too far, like I'll never catch up. Yeah, feels like I'll come in last. Can't let myself stop too long. Lose the ball, take a fall. Gotta pick myself up again. Gotta press restart, change it up, here we go again. Restart in the middle of the day. Don't gotta wake up, try again, start it over. Don't wait till the end of the week. Gotta press restart, change it up, here we go again. Restart in the middle of the day. Don't gotta wake up, try again, start it over. Don't wait till the end of the week. Gotta press restart, change it up, here we go again. Restart in the middle of the day. Don't gotta wake up, try again, start it over. Don't wait till the end of the week.
Thank you for watching, and make sure you comment below and let me know what types of soup you like to make, or your favorite place to eat clam chowder soup in San Francisco. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. See you next time.